Looking for a reliable dash cam under $100 that captures every detail in crystal clear quality? Today, we're checking out the top 5 best dash cams under $100, all packed with features like 4K recording, Wi-Fi, GPS, night vision, and parking monitoring. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best tech and car accessories to help you shop smarter. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. REDTIGER Dash Camera. The REDTIGER offers 4K front and 1080p rear recording, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, plus 24-hour parking mode for complete protection. Customer reviews. Users love its sharp image quality and reliable GPS tracking. Many say it's the best dual dash cam they've tried under $100. Pros: 4K plus 1080p dual recording. Wi-Fi plus GPS included. 24-hour parking mode. Great night vision. Affordable dual camera option. Number 2. AZDOME 4K Dash Cam. This model comes with 4K ultra clear video, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and built-in GPS. It also supports a rear camera and offers parking monitor mode. Customer reviews. Owners highlight its stable Wi-Fi connection and night clarity. They say it's easy to set up and reliable for long drives. Pros: crisp 4K video. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast file transfer. GPS tracking. Parking monitor support. Expandable with rear camera. Number 3. AZDOME M300's Dash Cam. The M300 delivers 4K recording, voice control, and WDR night vision, plus it comes with a free 64GB South Dakota card. Customer reviews. Drivers appreciate the bonus South Dakota card and hands-free voice control. It's praised for being beginner-friendly and reliable. Pros: 4K front plus rear support. Free 64GB South Dakota card included. Voice control. WDR night vision. Easy installation. Number 4. AZDOME GS63Pro Dash Cam. This upgraded dash cam features dual 4K plus 1080p recording, AZDOME driver assistance, built-in GPS, and 128GB M storage for faster performance. Customer reviews. Users rave about the AZDOME safety alerts and built-in storage, saying it feels like a premium dash cam at a budget price. Pros: dual 4K plus 1080p recording. AZDOME driver assistance. Built-in GPS. 128GB M storage. Excellent night vision. Number 5. KAWA D6 3K Dash Cam. The KAWA D6 records in 3K resolution, supports voice control, and provides strong night vision. It's one of the latest budget-friendly models for 2025. Customer reviews. Owners like its sleek design and clear video, especially at night. Voice control is also a big plus for hands-free use. Pros: 3K resolution recording. Voice control. Enhanced night vision. Easy to use. 2025 latest model. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And there you have it, the top 5 best dash cams under $100 in 2025. If you're on a budget but want 4K clarity, GPS tracking, and parking protection, these cameras give you incredible value without breaking the bank. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Which dash cam would you pick? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and drive safe.